So I came out to my back balcony and it's now, let me check what time it is. It's 20 after 7 in the evening and you can clearly see that we have a little bit of ground cover going on here. So, yeah, I guess it's going to keep snowing all through the night. So, we'll see what happens in the morning. So I want to show you what happened after the snowstorm last night. Which, you know, we're not strangers to snowstorms. It's like so used to having snowstorms, but at this point in the year when you get one, it's kind of odd that it was warm for so long. It was really showing us some spring temperatures, and now we're kind of at the point where we're saying, okay, that's enough. Bring on the summertime. Have a look. And here we are, February 25th. You can see that it is still snowing out. My neighbor's car, very full of snow everywhere. Not supposed to give up for a bit yet. Here we have it, still snowing. Husband still shoveling. You can see that we shoveled at 5 and here it is 7 and the ground is still full of snow. How is it out there, dear?
Well, it's freezing. All the snow that was falling and wet is now crusty and sticky.
You gonna go shovel again? Alright, cleaning off the cars. You can see at the snow plows, there's actually 2 of them out there working all day. My little dog, come on Cam, get back in here. You're gonna freeze out there. Uh-oh. Making a pee-pee. Come on. Come on, Cam. Come on, now I gotta come and get you, eh? This is my sweet little granddaughter, Amiel. Amiel, how old are you?
4.
Yeah, so you haven't had too many snowstorms, eh?
Yeah.
Do you like to play outside in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna go outside right today and play?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you gonna do?
Make a snowman.
Make a big snowman?
Yeah.
Oh, does Grandma gonna have to put her boots on and go outside too?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I only have high heels. That's not a good sign. Maybe Grandpa help you with the snowman since he gave you that chocolate ice cream yesterday.
That was my fun, Mommy.
All right,
Bye,
so take care.
Take care. I love you. Bye.
You gonna go outside and make your snowman now?
Yeah.
All right, get your boots, girl. Get your boots.
Perfect.